Hey guys, just headed down to Danville to pick up some parts for this thing. The fuel shutoff, solenoid, and whatnot. So this is the first, the longest road trip I've done. And we're just testing all the systems, of course. Transmission's shifting really good. Still has some flares, but they're getting better by the mile. So anyway. Can't put too much power down because it's really slippery. So anyway, this is 90 kilometers an hour. That's about 55, and it's just singing away. No major hiccups at all. So far so good. It's not a really good place you want to break down anyway. So touch wood, nothing breaks. Anyway, have a good one, guys. Full throttle, locked in fourth, 8% grade. So back pressure and turbo boost are damn near equal.